In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Honeybook for beginners. Honeybook is a fantastic platform that helps you manage projects, book clients, send invoice, and get paid all in one place. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your business processes, Honeybook can be an invaluable tool. Let's dive in and get you set up. First, let's start by accessing your profile. Once you're logged into Honeybook, you'll want to head over to the company settings section. This is where you'll set the foundation for your brand on the platform. Begin by adding your company name. This is crucial as it will appear on all communications sent through Honeybook. Next, specify your company type. This helps Honeybook tailor its features to best suit your business needs. Don't forget to fill in your contact information. This ensures clients can reach you easily. Now, let's make your profile visually appealing by adding your company logo and a banner. These elements are important as they enhance your brand's visibility and professionalism. Your logo will appear in client communications, giving your business a consistent and recognizable face. The banner, on the other hand, adds a personal touch to your profile page and helps you stand out. Moving on, we'll focus on brand customization. Honeybook offers options to customize button colors throughout the platform. Choose colors that align with your brand's identity to create a cohesive look and feel. This small touch can significantly enhance the user experience, making your brand more memorable. While you're in customization mode, take the time to set up your signature. This will be the sign off on all your emails and proposals, so make sure it reflects your brand's tone and personality. Next, it's essential to connect your bank account. Head back into the settings and find the section dedicated to payment setup. By linking your bank account, you can seamlessly accept payments through Honeybook. This integration not only simplifies transactions but also offers a professional and secure way for clients to pay you. It's a step that can save you time and ensure you get paid promptly. Now let's talk about integrations, which are key to maximizing Honeybook's potential. Start by connecting your email account, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or another provider. This allows Honeybook to sync messages, ensuring you never miss important communications with clients. After your email, link your calendar. This integration is vital for scheduling as it allows Honeybook to automatically update your availability and sync appointments. Finally, if you use video conferencing tools like Zoom, connect them to Honeybook as well. This integration makes scheduling and hosting virtual meetings straightforward and hassle-free. Clients can book appointments directly, and the system will automatically generate meeting links for you, saving you the time and effort of doing it manually. And there you have it. In this quick guide, you've learned how to set up your Honeybook account to make the most out of its powerful features. From company settings to brand customization and integrations, these initial steps will pave the way for a smoother client management experience. Thank you for watching and happy organizing with Honeybook.